just crush. Baby boy, you held so tightly. This pain it visits almost nightly. Missing hotel beds, I feel your touch. I will await, dear, a patience of eternity, my crush. A universal still, no rust, no dust will ever grow on this frame. A million years I will say your name. I love you more than I can ever scream. Books are flights those years ago. I said I love you as I left you. Regret still haunts my hollow head. I promised you I will see you again. Again. I sit here and smile, dear. I smile because I think of you, and I blush. These bleeding hollow dials, this frost. Fuss is made of miles and travels, when roadways are but stones and gravel. A bleeding heart can conquer every crutch. Books are flights those years ago. You said you loved me as you left me. Regret still haunts your saddened head, but I promised you I will see you. Books are flights those years ago. I said I loved you and I left you. Regret's no longer in my head, but I promised you, and now I'm home again. This was for Ross, and this is his hat, just to signify that this is for him. So, yeah, hope you like it.